What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and this video is all about the DroMight strobe light sets for your DJI Phantom 4 Pro. For those of you keeping up with our channel, you may have seen one of our recent videos about the DroMight strobe light sets. In that video we had them available for the DJI Matrice 200 series, the unique drones, and so this video is all about the strobe light sets for the Phantom 4 Pro, and that's because they just got released and we finally got our hands on them. So these are a little bit different than the ones you're used to, mainly being this top little piece right here, and that's because the Phantom 4 is such a unique shape. So if you look at the legs, they're not quite round like the arms on the Matrice or the legs on the Matrice. They're kind of this funky, not so circular shape. And so the DroMight strobe light sets for the Phantom 4 Pro, they're really cool. They adjust for that, and they're designed specifically for the Phantom 4 Pro. I just want to make that clear too. Phantom 4 Pro, not the regular Phantom 4. So I really like these strobe light sets for the Phantom 4 Pro for a few different reasons. One, you got a bunch of different colors. As you can see, you have the red light indicated by the red button, you have the white light indicated by the white button, and on the back, you may not have seen it earlier, but we have these green strobe lights with green buttons. So right away, really cool, really easy to tell which light is which and which color is which. And the other thing I like about it so much is, again, so the Phantom 4 is such a strange shape, but these are made so well that not only do they look really cool, but they fit really well in your drone. So if you have a look at the front two that are installed now, you'll see that you have this little piece that kind of, it doesn't click, but it wraps around the bottom of the leg, so that way you know where to position it. And then right down here, these two halves come together and they just fit this leg perfectly. If you try to slide it up, it will go up a little bit, but it's clear that it's meant to be down here. And so with that being said, I think you'll like these a lot too. They're really bright and they're really easy to use. And so now I want to show you how to use them. To show you how to use these, I'm going to use the two green lights that were on the back of the drone in the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to spin the drone around. And so this design, it's a three-part design. Well, I guess you could say technically 5 if you include the button and the strobe light. But for this sake, I'm just going to say 3. So you have the part that houses the light. And then you have the two halves that fit around the legs. And so, real simply, this piece again that I was talking about earlier with a little U shape at the top, this goes right at the bottom of the leg. Hard to mistake that. They make it really simple. So you just line it up, and then you take your other mounting half and you line it up. You got to put a little bit of pressure. You push it up, and then there you go, it locks in place. And then you take your light housing and the light itself, and you just slide it in, get a nice little click, and you're good to go. It's that simple. And so I'll do it with this one as well. So again, you just line up that piece, slow it down, line it up, take your other half, match it, a little tricky, and there you go. Once you get it on too, it doesn't move, there's no wiggling, it's very tight, it's perfect. And again, you take your light housing and you click it in. And what I like too is, so the Phantom 4, as you know, you have the two front lights are red, and the two back are white. And so what you could do with these strobe lights is you could actually take the housing part and the light, and you could swap them around however you want and get the correct, you can match the lights up to the lights under the motors, or however you like. And it's awesome too, because even during the day, these are so bright that they really help with orienting your aircraft. Before I wrap this video up, I just want to show you what it looks like with all the lights on and strobing as well. So I'm going to turn them on. So to turn them on, you just hold it down for about 3 or 4 seconds, let go, it starts strobing. Same way to turn it off as well. Now for the last light. And so on my aircraft, I have a white, I have a red, and I have 2 greens. I don't really have them position in any really meaningful way. I just kind of have them on here for the demonstration. And as you can see, very bright lights. And again, this design just looks so cool on the Phantom 4 Pro. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. And if you're interested in the Phantom 4 strobe light sets, you can head over to our store at www.terrestrialimaging.com.